Hey guys, welcome to our channel.
Today we will tell how to make a splash mode in an app of online site inspire.mi.edu.
So let's start, but wait, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon.
Now we can start. We will click on create button you can see in the top.
It's loading here.
Project name is Flying 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 Cat.
Yeah, it's done here. This is quite different from the app. So here we get our sprite from here to the sprite and background from here. If you want to change the direction of the sprite, this is the sprite, okay? So you can change it from here, from moving the arrow up and down. And to change the size, we will go here and change the number and show and hide. I wrote that. This eye is for hide and this eye is for show. And to delete the sprite, we will click in the dustbin option you can see here. So we will delete.
And choose the background and take simple background blue sky too.
And then I will choose the sprite. The cat is animal, so we will go to animal. There are several types of options are here: people, fans, dance, and etc. And this is cat flying, so we are flying cat, so we will take flying cat. And I will change the direction. From here I will go upwards. He is going upwards. And you want to change the size, so you can change the number. It's 100. It's set enough for me. And I will choose the building. There is one building also. Okay.
And
And this is the search option. If you can't search from here, I am searching for a cloud. I will take this. I will take this one more cloud. How it is? Yeah, this is the fatter than that. Yeah. We will place it here. We will drag and drop it. Drag and drop. You have one.
and go to events. Let's start coding. Let's start coding. And go to events and take when green flag. This is the green flag for code. And go to control and take forever. And go to motion and take set x2 to 50. Don't take any number. And go to looks and take next custom.
And then we will go to the control panel. I said that, but it's control, okay? Don't get confused. And then we will go again to the motion. In this video we will use only three to five coding options. Change X by. We will not take 10. We will take -5. And then we will change the repeat. It's 100 is okay. Our size is also of 100 and the repeat of it also.
Flying R. So flying cat is ready. Let's test it.
It's worked. So our flying cat is ready. And to save the project, you will save it here. And if it is saved automatically, if not saved, you can save from here. If you noticed from in the starting, this is showing failed saving project. So I will save it again so that I have made it. So we have to save. And then to see the project, we will go to the my stuff.
And to delete the project, click on delete button.
This is the click delete button. I will delete some for you. Unnecessarily also it's download because it save it uh, uh, it saved automatically so that there is so many saved.
So will we.
To see our project, so we will click in the inside, see inside button. Okay, and to test again, because we have done this building the flag cake, so we will click on this flag. If we use this one when the sprite click, so when we click on the sprite will say or whatever. I give you one more thing. I will use in cat when this sprite clicked, and go to looks, say hello for 2 seconds. You can change the seconds also. I will take it only 2 seconds is enough. I want to say the sprite bye bye. How's it? So let's test it also.
It's work.
Okay. So we will meet you in the next video. Bye bye. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay home, stay safe.